In today's fast-paced world, mastering your budget and implementing effective savings techniques are essential skills for anyone looking to achieve financial stability. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting, these strategies will guide you to make the most of your money, ensuring that you can save more, spend wisely, and invest in your future. If you like this video, all we need from you is to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help the YouTube algorithm grow us. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It allows you to track your income and expenses, giving you control over your finances. When you create a budget, you're essentially telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. This proactive approach to money management is crucial for anyone looking to save effectively. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, side hustles, investments, or any other streams of revenue. Once you have a clear picture of your income, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. By understanding where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more towards savings. Once you have a budget in place, the next step is to set realistic savings goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. For instance, if you want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 2 years, break that down into monthly savings targets. This approach makes your goals more manageable and less overwhelming. Consider automating your savings to ensure consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on payday. This way, you're paying yourself first before any other expenses, making it easier to reach your goals. Cutting unnecessary expenses is one of the most effective ways to free up money for savings. Start by reviewing your spending habits and identifying areas where you can reduce costs. For example, consider cooking at home more often instead of dining out. The average person spends hundreds of dollars a month on eating out, which could be redirected towards your savings. Another area to consider is subscription services. With so many streaming platforms, gym memberships, and other monthly subscriptions, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending. Take inventory of all your subscriptions and cancel the ones you rarely use. Additionally, consider shopping smarter. Use coupons, cashback apps, and shop during sales to maximize your savings. When grocery shopping, make a list and stick to it to avoid impulse purchases. Buying in bulk can also save money in the long run, especially for non-perishable items. The envelope system is a popular budgeting technique that helps you manage your money by dividing your cash into different categories. Each envelope represents a specific expense, such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Once the cash in the envelope is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. This system forces you to prioritize your spending and stay within your budget. It's a simple yet effective way to control impulse spending and ensure that you're living within your means. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that covers unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Building an emergency fund should be a top priority in your savings plan. Start small by setting aside a portion of each paycheck until you reach your goal. Having this cushion will provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unforeseen expenses arise. Paying off debt is a crucial step in mastering your budget. High-interest debt, such as credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The snowball method and the avalanche method are two popular debt repayment strategies. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, gaining momentum as you tackle larger debts. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you more money in the long run. Choose the method that aligns with your financial goals and stick to it. Once you've built a solid foundation with your budget and savings, it's time to consider investing. Investing allows your money to grow over time, helping you achieve long-term financial goals like retirement or buying a home. Start by contributing to your employer's retirement plan, such as a 401k, especially if they offer a matching contribution. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. Additionally, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The key to successful investing is to start early and stay consistent, allowing compound interest to work in your favor. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. This can include rental income, dividends from investments, or royalties from creative work. Building multiple streams of passive income can significantly boost your savings and help you achieve financial independence. Consider exploring opportunities for passive income that align with your skills and interests. For example, if you have a spare room, renting it out on Airbnb could generate extra income. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, creating an online course or writing an ebook could provide ongoing revenue. Regularly tracking your progress is essential to staying on top of your budget and savings goals. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your income, expenses, and savings. This will help you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your milestones along the way, whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or building an emergency fund. These achievements will motivate you to keep going and reinforce positive financial habits. Mastering your budget and implementing effective savings techniques are vital steps towards achieving financial freedom. By understanding your spending habits, setting realistic goals, cutting unnecessary expenses, and investing in your future, you can take control of your finances and build a secure financial foundation. Remember, the key to success is consistency and discipline. Start today and watch your savings grow. Incorporate these strategies into your daily life, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your budget and achieving your financial goals. With careful planning and determination, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.